10 ways to make your first $1,000,000. Working hard is not always the main catalyst for $1,000,000. Come to think of it, many people spend hours and hours at work, but they still have yet to make their first million or even attain a solid financial status. It's because making it to the Millionaires Club is never about bringing blood, sweat, and tears to the club. What you need is wit and a strategic course of action. And that's what we are giving you today. 10 ways to make your first million. Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel, The Enchanted Luxury Studio, where we talk about wealth and luxury. Let's get started. Number 1. Invest early. Getting your first million can be a matter of risk and time. You'll have to bet a portion of your income, put it in investments, and hope for your money to multiply and grow. All successful business magnates would agree that investing your money, particularly in the stock market, is one of the effective ways that can make you a millionaire. It might not be the fastest means available, but if you are contemplating your retirement plan, then it's something you should consider. It's also important to note that the earlier you begin investing, the greater your potential return on investments will be. So, if you plan to have your first million anytime soon, it's best if you invest early even now. By taking advantage of your youth, you can get a head start on saving for your future. Number 2. Monetize your passion. You heard that right? Your passion can make you $1 million or even $1 billion if you get so lucky. But of course, it doesn't stand alone. You have to make a business out of it. Turning your passion into a successful business not only allows you to earn profit while doing something you love, but also helps set you up for lasting success. Pretty much how the founder of Chipotle, Mr. Steve Ells, took advantage of his passion for cooking and established one of today's most popular Mexican restaurants in America. Or how the business mogul Mark Zuckerberg made use of his passion for computer science and built Facebook, which is now a giant corporation. Making a business out of your passion is not as easy as it sounds. Expect some failure along the way. Perhaps to encounter and conquer some obstacles is pretty much what your first $1 million is worth. Number 3. Be patient. Whatever path you choose to take, becoming rich will always take time. Investing in the stock market takes years for your money to grow and compound, and making a success out of your business doesn't happen overnight. And so, making your first million takes longer than you think. In fact, financial planners believe that making your first million is often the hardest to attain, regardless of what kind of means you're venturing into. May it be through building a business or years and years of savings. If you want to get your first million, you must stay committed and keep your eyes focused on the goal, despite the unsolicited hurdles around you. Remember, fear and impatience can be your worst enemies when trying to make your $1 million. Number 4. Adjust your lifestyle. Popular belief alleges that millionaires spend their money excessively and live high on the hog. But to tell you the truth, this is a myth. In fact, it's the other way around. Many people who have a great deal of wealth do not even live in upscale neighborhoods. On the other hand, many people who live in expensive homes and drive luxury cars do not actually have much wealth. This proves that a high salary and extravagant lifestyle don't necessarily equate to a high net worth. In other words, people who spend conservatively end up having more, while people who spend lavishly end up having less. It's because of the gap between income and spending is an asset and is a key to making someone rich. If you want to make $1 million, you shouldn't spend all the money that you earn, nor should spend more than what you earn. Number 5. Be a wealth-building hustler. If you want to make your first million, being loyal to your job will never be enough. Sure, your job is paying your rent, food, and utilities, but it will not make you rich, nor will it help you earn more money. To earn more cash, you have to find a side hustle or venture into other gigs. In doing so, you have to be disciplined, hardworking, and creative. Like what successful entrepreneur Mark Cuban did when he decided to sell packages of trash bags, so he could buy himself a pair of shoes, and peddled stamps and coins for extra cash. We're not saying that you should do the same, of course not. This is just a simple illustration of a wealth-building hustler attitude which you can draw inspiration from, because being a hustler by coming up with new opportunities for yourself is an attitude of a true millionaire. Number 6. Avoid a self-defeating mindset. Making your first million is as much as a mindset as anything else, so it's important to eliminate beliefs that will work against you. Let us walk you through a few self-defeating perceptions we have collected. First thing, don't expect something for nothing. Remember, nobody owes you a living and you're the only one who can make your dreams possible. Don't resort to any consumer debt. If you have the cash to buy something, then you don't afford it. Do not get distracted. If your goal is to make yourself $1 million, then persist through hurdles and get that goal. Lastly, do not compromise or give up on your education. Read books and get a degree if you can. Number 7. Invent something. If you have a lot of great ideas in mind, then it's time to sort them out. Select the best one you got and monetize it. Because that's another way to make your first million. It doesn't have to be mind-blowing stuff or even some sort of science investigatory project. No, it just needs to be highly beneficial to people. Just like the flattering undergarment, now goes with the brand name Spanx. This was invented by Sarah Blakely, which made her the youngest self-made billionaire in the US. May it be a product or a service, people will pay for your invention if it provides them any sort of convenience or comfort. Who knows? Maybe your invention solves a problem experienced by many or entertains the masses. Either way, people are willing to spend money on something that adds value to their life. Number 8. Create routines that will ensure progress. Creating routines is necessary for us to practice regular habits that will further your progress towards your goals. Things work much easier if we follow a certain pattern in our life. If your goal is to make $1 million before reaching 40, then you better make saving a portion of your monthly salary a routine, or allot at least an hour of your day to learn more about money making and apply it to your daily life. Having a routine doesn't just get you faster towards your goal. It betters you as a person as well, because you're able to develop discipline by having a good life system. Keep in mind that wishing and hoping won't get you to your first million, but sticking faithfully to your routine ensures you reach your goal. Number 9. Consistently track your progress. Tracking your progress can help you stay focused on what's important to reach your goal, which in this case is making $1 million. Knowing your progress is a powerful tool for increasing how much you move each day. It is already proven by a study that people who track their progress are far more likely to reach their goals. People who monitor their development know immediately when they've stopped making progress. This helps because it allows you to course correct by figuring out what went wrong and how to solve and fix the problem. Number 10. Get a millionaire mentor. Getting some advice from someone who already achieved what you wish to have is another smart way to get your first million. Being mentored by a millionaire means having access to the wisdom and connection they have. With their years of experience and vast knowledge in the course of money making, a millionaire mentor will guide you about everything you need to look out for. Things such as possible mistakes, traps, and opportunities that you need to grab. But where do you find a millionaire mentor when you're not even a millionaire yet? Mentors don't always have to be someone you're close to. You will find the most successful and knowledgeable people in the business books, magazines, and social media. Watch or read their interviews, get access to their public address and engagement, and research their humble beginnings. Make them your inspiration, and at last you'll know you're becoming just like them. And those were the 10 ways to make your first $1 million. Let us know in the comment section which one or multiple ones you are working on. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You may also click that bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching!